Trying to look inside a UPK file from a game or modding project? This is a content package from one of the most widely used game engines. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to browse, extract, and work with these Unreal Engine package files. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering UPK files with corrupted internal metadata. UPK files are content package files for Unreal Engine 3 games containing compiled game assets including 3D meshes, materials, textures, animations, sounds, scripts, and level data. They are the primary distribution format for game content in UE3-based titles and are used extensively by modding communities for asset extraction and modification. Unreal Engine UPK files use a binary package format with a name table, import table, export table, and serialized UObject data blocks. Assets are stored as serialized Unreal objects with class-specific property data, enabling the engine to deserialize and instantiate game content at runtime with proper type information. The native handler for UPK files is usually UEviewer, UModel from Guildware. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows cannot interpret most of this content, so dedicated game tools or the game itself are required. Let's address the application conflict directly. Right-click your UPK file and choose Open With. Check for UEviewer, UModel, and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That is the simplest path to a solution. If your UPK file will not open, do not worry. Now it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, browsing with UEviewer. Download UEviewer, also known as UModel, a free tool for viewing and extracting Unreal Engine package contents. Open the UPK file to browse meshes, textures, animations, and other assets in a 3D preview window. Export individual assets to standard formats like OBJ for meshes and TGA or PNG for textures. Next, using UPK Explorer. Open UPK files in UPK Explorer or UPK Decompressor to view the package structure, inspect object hierarchies, and extract raw asset data. These tools display the name table, class hierarchy, and property data for each object, enabling detailed inspection of game asset configuration and relationships. Finally, modding considerations. When modifying UPK files for game mods, always back up originals before making changes. Use the UDK Unreal Development Kit or community modding tools specific to the target game for proper asset cooking and packaging. Some games verify package integrity and may reject modified UPK files without proper bypass configurations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.